The VisionMaster Pro2 Triple Laser Projector 4K is a game-changer for anyone looking to elevate their home entertainment or professional display setup. Combining cutting-edge triple laser technology with 4K resolution, it offers an experience that is vivid, immersive, and extremely detailed. This projector isn't just about brightness or resolution. It's about delivering true-to-life visuals with precision and depth. The moment the VisionMaster Pro 2 is powered on, its capabilities become evident. The triple laser system produces a wider and more accurate color spectrum than conventional projectors. Reds are deeper, greens are more vibrant, and blues are crisp and clear. Every frame feels lifelike, whether it's a cinematic scene, a gaming environment, or a presentation. The 4K resolution ensures that even the smallest details are sharply defined, delivering a viewing experience that is both immersive and realistic. Brightness performance is impressive. Even in spaces with moderate ambient light, images remain clear and visually striking. This makes it versatile for multiple environments, from home theaters to offices and studios. Contrast levels are well balanced, providing rich blacks without losing detail in the shadows, which enhances the overall cinematic feel. The VisionMaster Pro 2 also supports DLP Link 3D, and the included 3D glasses bring depth and dimension to movies or games, creating a fully immersive experience. The HDMI 2.1 cable included in the package ensures fast, high-bandwidth connections. This translates to smooth frame rates, low latency, and superior 4K HDR performance for gaming, streaming, or professional media playback. A standout feature is the desktop gimbal stand, which allows flexible positioning. Tilt, swivel, and height adjustments make it easy to align the projector perfectly without the need for a ceiling mount or complex setup. This enhances convenience and adaptability for various room layouts and use cases. While the projector's built-in audio is sufficient for casual listening, pairing it with an external sound system unlocks its full potential, creating a complete cinematic experience. Out-of-the-box calibration provides excellent color accuracy, but advanced users can fine-tune settings including brightness, contrast, hue, and laser power levels to match the room environment perfectly. Connectivity options are comprehensive, including multiple HDMI ports, USB connections, audio output, and wireless casting capabilities. This ensures seamless integration with gaming consoles, laptops, streaming devices, and smartphones. The projector runs quietly, maintaining a distraction-free environment during intense movie scenes or presentations. Reliability is another strong point. The triple laser design maintains consistent color quality and brightness over time, ensuring long-term performance. With a durable build and long-lasting laser sources, this projector is a long-term investment for both home entertainment and professional use. The combination of advanced laser technology, precise color reproduction, and practical features makes the VisionMaster Pro 2 stand out. It provides an impressive balance of performance, versatility, and ease of use. Whether the goal is a cinematic home theater setup, immersive gaming, or high-quality presentations, the VisionMaster Pro 2 delivers a superior projection experience with minimal hassle. For those seeking a high-end, plug-and-play 4K projector with robust features, the VisionMaster Pro 2 Triple Laser Projector 4K, complete with desktop gimbal stand, DLP Link 3D glasses, and HDMI 2.1 cable, offers a complete and ready-to-use solution. Check the description below to get yours today.